Hey, this is Samith Pich, and today I'm setting up a new website and domain. I'm going to do it for my VA, John. So it's really easy. Hopefully you've already got a hosting account. And I'm using JustHost. I've used them for ages, and they're very, very good. Support's always been good and never been down. And so really simple. You've already made your account. You just need to log in now. I should automatically be logged in. Okay, and this is the back office. They're really all the same, no matter who you're using. You'll have a cPanel, servers, email, website, FTP, databases, etc. And so I'm logging in now. Okay, so now I'm inside my hosting account, and whatever you're using, might be Bluehost, might be somebody else. They all pretty much look the same. So what we want to do is we want to register a new domain. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to domain management and click on register domain. At the moment my internet's really slow, so I'm going to be pausing between all these steps. Okay, as you can see, it says register domain, choose a domain. I've already chosen my domain, my VA's name. Let's see, hopefully no one has taken it in the meanwhile. Okay, so good news, the domain is available. Congratulations. So it's really simple. We choose a domain that we want. I wanted johnluberton.com. It's going to cost me 15 bucks. Easy enough. Next. Okay, the next part is your settings. If it's just a test thing, like it's a just idea that's coming off the top of your head, I pretty much would recommend that you don't automatically renew. But if you know that this is something that's going to be going on for a while, then automatically renew it. So I'm going to automatically renew it. You can have privacy. I don't really care either way. And actually, for this case, I'll turn the privacy off, and I agree to the registrations agreement and add to cart. Okay, we now go and purchase it. Domain johnluberton.com. Going for a year, $14.95. It's already got my details and process order. Yes, I already know that. Okay, so we've just purchased a domain just now. So what we're going to need to do is we're actually going to need to set up our domain. So let's go to manage and set it up. Okay, so now we're actually in my domain list. Okay, so you see all the domains that I've had over this time, and ideally it should be up. Okay, there we go. johnluberton.com is now domain, and it says expiry date, and you'll see the type unassigned. What we actually need to do is we actually need to assign it to assign some hosting to it, because otherwise it's just a domain and there's nothing that we can put on it. And what we want to put on John's website is a WordPress blog. Okay, so it's really simple. Just click on it. Okay, so we're going to assign a domain to our hosting. So first of all, you just need to select the domain. So it's already selected, johnluberton.com. We don't need to verify the ownership. It's going to be an add-on domain, and the directory is we're going to create a new directory, so it's like its own total new website. But the cool thing is we can also go through a subdomain as well. All that means is when we go to johnluberton.com, it will come up as its own website, but it's actually sneakily a part of my website as well. Okay, it's a new directory, so we're going to assign the Okay, so it says here summary, assigning John Luberton. It should take 5 to 15 minutes for the task to complete. Okay, so I'm just going to have a quick look. Where is he? So it should say now, it says add on. So we've actually got hosting for it. It's going to have its own domain. And great, so what we've just done now is we've bought a domain. We have registered it, and then we've assigned it some hosting. Okay, and in our next video, what we're going to do is we're going to install a WordPress blog onto it. Okay, thank you very much. This has been Samith Pich.